Welcome to my class. Psalms 37 verse 5. Commit thy way unto the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. God bless us all. Keep safe and enjoy learning. Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about the fifth kingdom, the kingdom fungi, or the kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi include familiar molds, mushrooms, and yeast. Fungi are also or mostly many-celled organisms. Tandaan, fungi are mostly many-celled organisms. Like plants, fungi cells have cell walls, but these are made of chitin rather than cellulose. Unlike plants, fungi cells do not contain chlorophyll, thus they cannot make their own food. Always remember, fungi do not contain chlorophyll. That's why they cannot make their own food. They rely on the other organisms, living or dead, for nutrition. So first we have the molds. Molds are fungi. They grow on bread, fruits, and many other starchy foods. They are often found on the food exposed to air. They grow in warm and moist places. Remember, molds grow in bread, fruits, and many other starchy foods. Molds grow when the food is outside and exposed to air. They cause food decay and can cause illness if the food is eaten. So remember, molds can cause food decay o yung nabubulok. At kapag ito ay nakain natin, magkakaroon tayo ng karamdaman o magkakaroon tayo ng sakit. The next one is the mushrooms. Mushrooms are also fungi. When the wind carries away the spores and they land on the favorable environment, new mushrooms may grow. Remember, when the wind carries away spores, it can grow new mushrooms. Some kinds of mushrooms can be eaten, just like the mushrooms on the pizza that you eat or that we eat. However, many mushrooms are poisonous and can cause death. Remember, many mushrooms are poisonous, like in the picture in your screen, and can cause death. So, not all mushrooms can be eaten. Never eat a mushroom unless an expert says it is safe. So, if you want mushrooms, you can buy mushrooms in a can. So, that is not poisonous. And last, the yeast. Yeast are also fungi and do not contain chlorophyll. Yeast are widely used in bakers or by bakers and brewers. In baking, the yeast cell convert the sugar in the dough to carbon dioxide and alcohol. The carbon dioxide then cause the bread to rise, o sa Tagalog, umaalsa na yung dough. Yeast is also used to make beer and wine. So that is for the brewers. For the bakers, it causes the bread to rise. Fungi play an important role in nature as decomposers. Along with bacteria, the kingdom Monera, they break down bodies of dead plants and animals to make organic matter available for other living organisms. Fungi like yeast and molds are also important in the production of food and in the making of medicines like vitamin B2 and the penicillin. Remember, fungi plays an important role in our nature as decomposers. Magkasama sila ni bacteria minsan. They break down bodies of dead plants and animals to make organic matter. And yeast and molds, like fungi, are also important in the production of food. So, it can help to make medicines like vitamin B2 and the penicillin. Okay, there are also some fungi that can cause damage to plant crops like rust and smuts. Other can cause disease in man like athlete's foot, which causes itchiness and often painful wounds between a person's toes. Okay? Remember, it can damage some plant crops like rust and smuts. For the man, it can be an athlete's foot. Some fungi pose danger with their toxins, as in the highly poisonous Amanita muscaria mushrooms. Some fungi pose danger with their toxins, as in the highly poisonous mushroom called Amanita muscaria. Thank you very much for listening, everyone. God bless us all. I hope you learned something today. We are already done with the 5 kingdom, the kingdom Animalia, the kingdom Plantae, the kingdom Monera, the kingdom Protista, and the last one is the kingdom Fungi. Congratulations to everyone. We have finished the 5 kingdoms. Thank you and goodbye.